Morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of coffee questions. What's today's topic? How do I improve the flow of my kitchen sink faucet? I had a neighbor that wanted to call a plumber. It's been a couple of years ago, and I went back over there recently because she started to have the same problem, which is when she turned her handles on, the flow was really poor. Now, this is a quick fix. You don't need to call a plumber. And somebody said, well, it's simple. I'm surprised you're doing, a video about it. Well, it's because people forget that they can easily clean and do this themselves without having to call a plumber. Let me show you a short video. I went ahead and I set up my video camera, and on her kitchen faucet, I'll show you exactly how you can get through this and make this a real simple fix and save you hopefully a lot of money because you didn't have to call a plumber. Okay, so I can tell just from turning the one handle that we've got a flow problem. Similar to what I did a couple of years back. Shut the water off. I'm going to put a towel around this. I don't want to damage the fixture. And I'm going to loosen it. And I'm going to remove this right now by hand. Take this all the way off. Now, I looked at the O-ring. It's hard to see with the camera, but there's really nothing wrong with it. It's nice and clean still. But the inside of this, you can see little tiny black particles or dark particles of debris and stuff that are in there. Calcium on the other side. But okay, so I get out my trusty Harbor Freight brush. These are very cheap out at Harbor Freight. Nylon. You could use steel, or you could use a wire brush, I suppose, if you wanted to. And I go ahead and I scrub this, front and back. Now, that may be all you have to do to yours, but like on this one is just a little bit different, and you can use this rough 3M pad if you want to. Scrub it if you don't have that brush. And that may be all you have to do. This one, what I was trying to say is, has a little cartridge. You have to take it out. And I'm going to use that brush again. I'm going to go over everything, including the sides. I want everything, as nice and clean as I can get it. Nothing to restrict the flow. Okay, and then I clean it all off. Just rinse it off real quickly. All right, now I'm going to turn around and put this thing back together. Put the O-ring, the rubber O-ring back in there. And I'm going to screw this back up on there. And I'm going to make it kind of finger tight. But I do grab that dish towel, put it on here, and give it a little snug turn. There we go. That way it doesn't come off. And let's test the flow now. I'm going to use both handles, of course, but it's going to spit out a lot better no matter what. There you go. That's it. So, common sense, yes. Quick fix, yes. Something we think about all the time, probably not. But if you notice the flow is decreasing, try taking it apart, cleaning it with a brush, scrub brush, clean all the debris out real well, put it back on there, watch the flow increase. It's a great little tip. Okay, folks, I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe, hit the notification, drop a comment if you have a better way or another way. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.